So, welcome back to our 10th class English session. We have already discussed some short questions, I mean objective questions of the prose. Now let's have some more. The first question is, who did Lencho write a letter? Lencho wrote a letter to God. Could you understand? Next, when did Lencho write the letter?
The following Sunday at daybreak.
Yeah, the following Sunday at the break, Lencho wrote the letter after his crop was destroyed. How much money did Lencho request God to sow his field again and to live until the crop comes? How much? 100 pesos. Lencho requested God for 100 pesos to sow his field again and to live until the crop comes. Next question. What did Lencho write on the envelope? Lencho write to God on the envelope. What did Lencho place on the letter before dropping it into the mail box? Lencho placed a stamp before dropping it into the mail box. Who was the postman's boss? Who was the postman's boss? The postmaster was the postman's boss. Who had never known that address in his career? The postmaster. Sorry, the postman had never knew. No. The postmaster had never known that address in his career. What was the postmaster like?
A fat, amiable fellow.
The postmaster was a fat and amiable or a friendly person. Could you understand? Who was amiable? The postmaster was amiable person. Next question. Next question is 34. Where did the postmaster tape the letter? The postmaster taped the letter on the desk. What faith? Who was the speaker?
The postmaster.
The postmaster was the speaker. What idea did the postmaster come up with?
To answer the letter.
Yeah, the postmaster came up with an idea
The post.
to what?
The letter.
To answer the letter. How much did the postmaster contribute as an act of charity?
A part of his salary.
A part of his salary. The postmaster contributed a part of his salary as an act of charity. How much money was he able to collect from Lencho? It's wrong. He was able to collect just a little more than the half for Lencho. What was the single word that contained on the letter to God? What was the single word that contained on the letter to God?
Writing table.
single word. God. 38. 39.
Writing table.
No. What was the single word that contained on the letter to God? The single word that contained on the letter to God is God. Just a single word. Where did Lencho come a could understand? Where did Lencho come a bit earlier than usual?
To the post
To
office.
the post office. Lencho came a bit earlier than usual. Sorry. Lencho came to the post office a bit earlier than usual. Who handed over the letter to Lencho? The postman handed over the letter to Lencho. Next, who handed over the letter?
The postman.
Who? The postman. Postman or postmaster? Postman. Right. You are right. Thank you. That's like a good boy. Next question is, what did Lencho ask for in the post office? Lencho asked for a stamp in the, asked for what? Paper and ink in the post office. What did Lencho have firm faith in?
God.
God. Lencho had firm faith in God. Where did Lencho write the second letter?
On the
Lencho wrote the second letter on the public
writing table.
writing table at a post office. What did Lencho buy in the post office? Lencho bought a stamp in the post office. What did Lencho affix to the envelope? Lencho affixed a stamp to the envelope. How did Lencho affix the stamp to the envelope? Lencho affixed the stamp to the envelope with a blow up his fist. With a strong blow up his fist. Could understand? Who collected and opened Lencho's second letter?
The post.
The postmaster collected and opened Lencho's second letter. Next one is, how much money did Lencho request God to give in his second letter? In his second letter, Lencho requested God to give him the rest amount, that is 30 pesos. Could understand? Whom did Lencho consider a bunch of crooks? Lencho considered
The post.
the post office employees. Lencho considered the post office employees a bunch of crooks. So these were the short questions or the objective questions of the prose, a letter to God. We will have other discussions relating to grammar, language development, vocabulary development in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.